Okay, I am doing a video from where I live on my block, walking. I think I mentioned that there are no mopeds or motorbikes here. There's some motorcycles, but mostly everybody rides bikes, which is so cool. You know, the young kids riding to school on their bikes. And this is my route to the main, what would I call it, center here in Japan. I want to make sure that I watch the street both ways. I'm hoping that the camera is not shaking too much. Well, Japan has its own uniqueness, just like all the other countries that I've gone in. They all have some similarities, and they all have their own uniqueness. And I try to point out both uniqueness and similarities, like the streets, similar, not really sidewalks, something that we will call alley walks. This is a grocery store, but actually it's just a convenience store. Things are convenient. I can purchase things there if I want to cook something. And there's a lot of the other similarity is there's lots and lots of restaurants on your walk, so one can never go hungry in these countries. Although you have, I don't know about I don't know about the poor and areas or anything like that, but I'm just saying, like, if you're visiting, you can never go hungry. And many times you'll hear me say I'm hungry. My dilemma in a lot of these countries, Asia and all the other countries that I've been in, my dilemma is not knowing the language. And here they don't have the food in English and Japanese. So if I don't see the pictures, even looking at the pictures, like I'm going to show you, like here, this looks like something that would be good. And of course, the noodles here and the noodles looks like something would be good that I can eat. However, I don't eat pork, and I want to make sure that I don't get anything with pork in it. So now I'm on the main road, and I'll have to decide which way I want to go and visit. Whichever side has the most, as I would call it, going ons, happening, excitement, it's pretty much what I want, I like. So I think there's the train station. I'll take you in the train station for a moment. I'm really, really glad that the train station is right down the street from where I live. And Japanese food galore. Like I said, you can never, ever, ever go hungry. It looks like it's going to rain today, so I did bring my cat with me. Oh, one thing here, there's road courtesy. Yeah, road courtesy. So I'm going to take you through here. This is a train station, but it's also a place for shopping. The bakery is in here. All kinds of shopping is in here. The only thing is that No souvenirs. So we're gonna go upstairs to the train station. Now these are separated. Let's see. No, these are all up and the other side is down. If you look at the arrows, see the arrows is down and this side is up. And most people pay attention to that. If it's one stairway, you have the stairways that are split. You have half coming up and half going down. Now, I'm in the train station, and I did a video yesterday on people coming in, and they were pouring in kind of like a flood. Let's see, you got shopping pretty much everywhere, and this is nothing in comparison to yesterday. I mean, they literally were packed together coming out of the train station, as you can see. If I were here at 8 o'clock this morning, you would have been like, whoa, wow, the massive amount of people. You would have been, oh, wow, that's a lot of people at one time. So because I don't know what happened to that video yesterday, it was kind of funny. So just watch. See, it was a bit quieter when we came in, but now, as you see, it's not. It's kind of noisy, which it should be at a station, going in various different directions. So this is Kim coming to you from Reality Travel. I'm in Japan, and Suitcase Traveler, SUITECASETRAVERLER, YouTube. Visit me and stay tuned for my YouTube blogs. YouTube blogs are going to be entitled Travel Air Flight 414. Okay, I'm out for now. Kim is out. Thank you for watching. Bye.